Why did you said 6? 7. Car. How long does this go for?
How long is it?
26? 27? 28? 29?
Do I really need to have my blinker on?
The trunk just opened! I didn't get it on camera, but oh, gosh, damn it.
New car.
No, seriously, beep at them.
Your trunk.
That's not gonna do anything. Beep.
Your trunk.
Your trunk is open.
She's probably gonna notice when she starts driving.
Go faster. We gotta keep up. Go faster. Did it close?
No, it's so
I want something to fall out.
I don't. I think something just did fall out. See the pizza box back there.
I don't think Cuban pizza box. They're true.
Pull over.
Keep honking. Just honk a couple times.
She probably knows.
Ride her ass and honk.
It's an old lady.
Ride her ass and honk.
That's what you gotta do. She definitely doesn't know.
She definitely knows.
Okay, when we stop, go to the left.